Good morning, this is the automation area. So here we have the BM1080. This was brought in from China and we've done a load of work on it to bring it up to a CE standard. Over here we've got a couple of machines that come in from Japan, which we're going to be doing some work on fitting the control system. They will end up looking like this one here. So this machine was brought in from Japan, we fitted a new control system, and actually we're now putting a servo motor onto this machine. And over here, we're building some panels. And here's Rob Jones. Rob.
Hi Will.
What are you up to?
I'm building a charging booster for a remote locking device for fitting balconies onto buildings.
Excellent. So you made all of these, and is this the last one?
Yep, this is the last one of the batch.
Excellent. What do you do at Warren Services?
Mixture of jobs, mainly electrical wiring stuff, but I get involved in all types of builds, mechanical, pneumatic, hydraulic, etc, etc.
And you went to the UTC?
I did, yes. I went to the UTC for 4 years. I did my GCSEs there and then completed 2 A-levels and a level 3 BTEC.
And then you joined Warren Services.
Yep.
And you've just completed a HNC,
yep,
Advanced Apprenticeship, and you're moving on to your higher level apprenticeship.
Yep.
And then where do you eventually want to see that going?
I'd like to see myself doing a degree at the end of this.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Good. Right, thank you very much.